Boaters Net would like to offer a 2001 G3 model HP 170 fishing boat for sale. The boat currently resides in Indian Land, South Carolina, and the asking price is $15,000. The boat has aluminum hull, is 17 feet long, has a 80 horsepower Yamaha 4-stroke engine with approximately 200 hours on it, a beam of 7.5 feet, and holds 22 gallons of fuel. Has a Garmin fish finder for the front and a Humminbird fish finder in the console. Has 3-bank charger and 3 gel batteries and a 24-volt trolling motor. Has a deluxe bear trailer with chrome wheels, fuel separator system, spare trailer tire and lock, and the G3 boat cover. Owner states the boat's in immaculate condition. It's only fished it 2 times for each year he's owned it. He bought it brand new. Currently lists for $25,000 with the same motor, and he's asking $15,000. For more information and pictures or to contact the owner, visit boatersnet.net.